What up, 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 guys? Forex King coming at you guys again. I'm excited. As you seen by the title, man, just be patient. Greed is a real thing. Let me tell you straight up let's get right into it. You guys already know the game already. So, looking at the chart, you see what's going on. Now, I will admit, and I will give a quick caveat. Again, I think I told in previous videos, I hate DX trade just because it doesn't allow me to go back. Nevertheless, um, there were some major days last week that I missed out just because I was just busy personally, so I couldn't get in front of the markets like this day. This day was major. I missed it because I couldn't get in front of the market. But it is what it is. But the reason why I say be patient, greed is a real thing, just because looking at where I'm at today. So I didn't trade much last week. I did hit this week, this day. I don't remember what day this was. Let me see right here, real quick. Da 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 da. The 31st. Okay, so the 31st was last Friday. Now it's June 1st. So last Friday, I saw this. You guys pretty much know how I move now. Like I put green arrows to kind of uh, pretty much signify where I was at. I'll put red when I lose, but I'm trying not to lose. That's the thing. We don't want to lose. We just want to be disciplined. So, had this green here. Now, this, I'll admit, I remember this clearly because I watched this action right here. Remember, I'm trading the US 30, and it got close to about almost 1 o'clock. And after 12 o'clock, that's when I typically try to get up the market because volume slows down. Now, it was actually getting closer to 1 o'clock when I got in, and I saw this, and I was like, man, I really was expecting it to go up. Like I said, man, I know this thing is going up. I don't know when, but I know it's going up. And I honestly, legitimately thought it would have gone up this day, this candle, this 5-minute candle. And I got in, and then I just watched the movement. I was like, okay, what's going on, man? Why you taking so long? And then I saw this red one. I said, you know what? Listen, it's about 1 o'clock. It's outside of my time zone. Let me stay disciplined. The volume is too slow. Let me just get out of there. It's about 1 o'clock Friday. I left, handled business. I came back late night actually. After the market closed, I came and I saw this thing shot up, and I was like, man, oh man. And I laughed and I smiled. I smiled because of my ability to assess the market, knowing that it was going to go up. I just didn't know when. And because of my timing, I got out. If I had more time, yes, hindsight, one would say stay in the market, but because of my discipline, and again, that's a big thing with a lot of us new traders, when you have a strategy, just be disciplined. Be patient. You're always going to find opportunities in the market. So, fast forward to today. I think in that day, as you can tell, because I mean, I made $2 that day, Friday. So I was like, all right, $2, take the win. It is what it is, no problem. So today's Monday. Obviously, this is the weekend. Da 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 da. This was going on. I woke up, saw this morning. I said, oh, this is going to be fun. So looking at this, because I woke up. No, I saw last night. Let me be clear. Let me slow down. I'm just excited. So last night, after I came back for the gym Sunday, figure like 8 o'clock, I saw a little bit of this action. Okay, so all right, cool, no problem. So when I woke up and I saw that after it hovered, it dropped, I said, wonderful. Now we clearly know that the momentum of the day is a bearish day, selling, right? No problem. So I watched this action, not a problem. Then it's like, all right. Once I saw this, I got in. Was excited. Actually, no, I got in, and then I was like, I saw this doji right here. I saw this doji or shooting stars. I call it doji. Saw this long doji, right? I was like, I don't like it. Let me get out because I don't know if this thing's going to shoot up on me or not. And there's no reason for you to pretty much consolidate this time frame, right? This long, call it hour and a half, hour and a half. Give me this strong candle. Then no momentum right here. That don't make any sense. So I still got out. It was actually getting close to about 10 o'clock. I said, you know what, let me just chill, kind of see what happens. You saw this market activity bullish. This probably would have took some people out if you were in the market. Went up a little bit. Said, all right, what's going on? Then I saw this kind of said, oh, it's going back down. So I got in on this candle right here, if I remember correctly. Now, I'll be honest. If I was, hold on, let me scroll out. If I was a little bit more patient, this big candle probably would have got me to the $400 threshold, and I would have passed this first phase of the challenge. But I was like, I don't know what's going on. Okay, now I can speak clearly. I got on this candle. I got out on this candle because I saw this and I was watching it and it was green. I'm looking at it. Okay, again, for me, I'm big on. I don't trade with a take profit. I'm trading based on candle activity and momentum. That's my strategy. Could I trade with a take profit? Of course I can. Do I want to? No, I don't, because it's going to force me to be lazy. So I choose it. I'm not telling you to do it. I know people that use my same strategy, that use take profit. They get in, get out. They're not staring at the charts like me. Me, I like to watch my money. So I just don't choose to take profit. I choose to just be disciplined, handle myself, have control of my psychology, learn, grow, and get to the next level. I digress. So here, I got up this candle because I'm watching the movement. I'm watching it kind of stall out, and I saw it's green. I said, you know, I don't want this thing to skyrocket on me again because it could be another pullback. I watched this. Maybe after this pullback, the market might decide to do another quick retracement and then go down. Because I wasn't sure, I was like, let me just get out. I'll be okay with that. No problem. Here's why. Because that if I had stayed in, this 89 would have easily been $120. Easily. Now, hindsight, yeah, if it goes down here, cool. But I watched it at $111 at this particular wick. So I know this long candle, I don't know what money I would have made, but I'm pretty confident just because this wick right here on the candle prior, at the highest peak, it was at $112. So I was like, damn, $112, and it was like 500 and I don't remember the exact number. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm confident this would have helped carry this to 4, and that's really the target of the first phase of this challenge, $400. As you can see, win rate's 82%. I'm at plus 6%. So I'm doing pretty well. I don't remember what my last loss was, and that's really not important. But I've lost clearly 17%. So, and that's why I choose not to use the take profit, because I'm confident in myself. I just have to be disciplined. When I'm disciplined, I don't lose. And that's the tricky part, because you don't want to get too conceited. But anyway, greed is a real thing. Here's why I say greed is a real thing. For that very statement. Because I got out on this candle, this candle, I got out this candle before it shot down, because it was that's why I got out this candle before it shot down, because I'm watching it and be a little bit bullish, and I'm like, man, this thing might shoot up. I don't want to take the risk, so I got out. So you know what? I'll be happy with that. Had I been a little bit more patient, just let it ride, it would have shot down, and I'd have been good. Now, the reason why greed is a real thing, because I watched it shoot down. It's clear that it's going down. I was like, let me see if I can ride the momentum down again. That is not part of my trading plan or my discipline. Once I get out the trade, I need to stay out and wait for a new setup. Should be jumping in, jumping out. And that's where I think a lot of traders make a mistake. Jump in, jump out, jump in, jump out. I'm not doing that anymore. So once I get out, for whatever reason, man, just get out and just deal with it. And the reason why is because, well, I'll just do it here. See this nice large win, which is obviously, you see where it's at, right? You see today is this is terrible. But anyway, I'll show it on the other side, on the other screen. But see the first trade, $3. Second trade, huge, monster, 89. This is when I was not disciplined. Let's call it what it was, right? I lucked up and just got out fast enough Say, you know what, this is the greed, because I made money. I didn't look at the money until I actually opened up the history. But because I was like, man, I could have made more, I tried to go back in and ride the wave again. And that again, I don't know what your trade strategy is, but again, just be disciplined. Don't be greedy. Take the win and be good. This is important because once I realized I made $89 for the day, I said, man, Dre, just relax. Why? Because I haven't had a large win like that in several days. The last huge win I had was, look, this 168. Half, but who cares? Still, it's still $89. It's still $90. The goal is not to make $100 million right now. The goal is to be consistent, pass the challenge. Once I pass the challenge, then we can start to be a little bit more strategic or at ease with, in essence, what I'm doing. But again, as you can see, way more greens than red. And clearly here, you can see it. And then also here, man, loss rate's only 17%. So that's amazing. Take the win. Just be patient. There's a lot of month left. Be ready to see what the market is doing, right? And I clearly have a solid pulse on analyzing the market and trading. So because I have a solid pulse, I'm confident in myself. I know when to be patient, and if I'm disciplined and wait for solid setups, I'll win. So instead of me rushing and stressing, be happy, take the W, which is a really good W for the day, and just wait for another opportunity. You see the market still open, still moving, and stalling again. Me, it's probably going to keep shooting down. I mean, looking at the day, I mean, I don't know how far. This is the daily, as you can see here. I don't know how far this thing's going to shoot down. It could shoot down half. I mean, it's 11 o'clock, so it's still really early in the day, Eastern Standard Time. This thing could shoot down and actually match this one. Who knows? That's the market. The market can do whatever the hell they want to do. Me, I care about me and my money, and I'm happy for the day. So, I wanted to record this video quickly. Excited. I didn't lose my train of thought, but again, I wanted to at least still show consistency that I'm still in the markets trading. I thought about waiting until I passed the challenge. But I said, man, let me just record it because this might help somebody. This might show that, hey, I'm in the markets, I'm consistent, but also help somebody else who's watching me grow, who's watching me do the thing consistently, step by step, day by day. And you can see that for the most part, I'm not doing pretty bad at all. I'm actually doing very good. So I don't want this video to be too long, but I did want to let you know, man, just be patient. Greed is a real thing. Stay disciplined. Stick to your strategy. Allow yourself to grow into the person that you want to be, and the rest is history. Again, appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Forex King out. Remember, King is keep intentionally needing God. And with that, talk to you guys on the next one.